If your phone charger or 12-volt power outlets in your 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado aren't working, don't tear your dash apart yet. Check these 3 fuses first. Open the driver's side door and remove the side dash panel. Look for fuse 21. This 20-amp fuse controls the main 12-volt socket on your lower dashboard. If that dash port is dead, check this fuse first. Pop the hood and open the main fuse box on the driver's side. Locate fuse 44. This controls the 12-volt power outlets inside and behind your center console. If those console plugs have no power, swap this fuse. In that same underhood fuse box, find fuse 54. This 20-amp fuse powers the main cigarette lighter socket. If plugging in an accessory killed that specific socket, replacing fuse 54 will fix it.